Guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video I made, and I hope you will hit the like and subscribe button after this video. So today with me I have my friend and also a chef, Somto, aka SK Meals. Today she'll be teaching us how to make fried rice. That's Basmati fried rice, and I hope you will learn a lot after this video. Over to her.
Hi guys, my name is Somto, also known as SK Meals, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Basmati fried rice from the comfort of your home. Let's go. What you need for this recipe are Basmati rice, of course, vegetable oil, fresh garlic, onion, fresh pepper, curry powder, thyme, seasoning cubes of choice, eggs, optional, carrots, sweet corn, green beans, cabbage, mixed bell peppers, kidney beans, liver, meat stock, be it chicken or beef. That's all.
Thank you. So
you start by pre-cutting all your vegetables.
Okay.
You wash and you strain your basmati rice. Now into your dry pot, you add in your vegetable oil, you add in your onions. You have to fry it till it's translucent. Translucent being that it brings out the flavor. You add in your fresh garlic, you add in your washed and strained basmati rice, and then you fry and fry. If you don't fry this rice, your rice is going to get bad.
Very important. Note that. Note it. Please continue.
So you have to add in your meat stock. After frying, you add in water enough to cook. You have to cook this rice on very low heat. That's steaming the rice, so you do not need so much water. Now you add in your fresh pepper, and as that is cooking into your dry frying pan, you add in your vegetable oil again. If you have eggs at this point, you have to fry it, take it and put it aside. Now you get your frying pan again, you add in your vegetable oil, very little amount. You add in your carrot and your runner beans, that's your green beans, because this takes longer time to cook than other vegetables.
Note that.
You add in your seasoning cubes, because of course you have to season your veggies, and you add in your other veggies, that's the sweet corn. If you have liver, you fry it and you add it at this point, and you add in your cooked basmati rice, and you add in your spring onions, and you add in your cabbage for finishing touches, and that's it. Very
Bravo.
easy.
Bravo.
Easy peasy.
Bravo! That's nice. And that's nice.
After watching this video, you should be able to know how to cook basmati fried rice now.
More than the chef herself.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did and you're going to try this recipe, let us know in the comment section.
Please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe.
Subscribe, oh, you guys, subscribe.
Till next
Shooting this
time.
video was not easy. Subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.